Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update display drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your Start button and right-click on it. Then just go to the Device Manager. And from the Device Manager, just go to the Display Adapters and expand this section. And from here, you'll see your GPU driver. Just right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Or you can go to Properties, and from here, just go to Driver. And from here, you can see the driver date, driver version, and everything. And from here, you can click on Update Drivers as well. So just click on it. And you get two options. You can just go with the first one. And as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. That's because I have the updated drivers. If yours don't have the updated ones, it will update it for you. Then you can just click on Close. Close this as well. And basically that is it. And that is how to update your display drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.